Upbeat music plays in the background. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're comparing two exciting mirrorless cameras from Canon, the EOS R10 and the EOS R8. One is a compact powerhouse, while the other is a full-frame marvel. Let's dive in and see which one is worth your investment. Let's kick things off with the price. The Canon EOS R10 comes in at $1,379, making it a more wallet-friendly option compared to the EOS R8, which is priced at $1,499. Reviewers note that the R10 offers great value for those looking for a solid entry-level camera, while the R8 is seen as a worthy investment for those who desire full-frame capabilities. So if you're looking to save some bucks while still getting quality, the R10 might be your go-to. Now, let's discuss image quality. Both cameras feature a 24.2 megapixel sensor, but the R8's full-frame sensor provides a significant edge in low-light performance and depth of field. Reviewers of the R10 rave about its excellent image quality for the price, emphasizing its suitability for various photography genres. On the other hand, users of the R8 appreciate its ability to produce stunning images with rich detail, making it ideal for professional work. In essence, the R10 is great for everyday use, while the R8 excels in capturing that perfect shot in challenging conditions. Next up is autofocus. The R10 boasts Canon's smart and speedy autofocus, which many reviewers have found to be effective for capturing fast-moving subjects, like pets or kids. However, the R8 takes it a step further with its dual-pixel CMOS AF2, featuring 1053 AF zones, making it a favorite among videographers and those needing precise focus in their shots. Users have noted that the R8's autofocus is incredibly fast and reliable, giving it an edge in professional settings. For quick captures, the R10 is solid, but for serious autofocus performance, the R8 is the champion. Let's talk about continuous shooting speed. The R10 can snap at 15 FPS, making it suitable for action shots, but the R8 can shoot at an impressive 60 FPS in uncropped 4K video. Reviewers of the R8 have highlighted its capability to capture fast action in stunning detail, perfect for sports and dynamic scenes. While both cameras have their strengths, the R8 definitely takes the lead for those who prioritize high-speed shooting. Moving on to display features, the R10 has an anti-smudge LCD screen that's bright and vibrant, which users appreciate for easy viewing. However, the R8 features a 3.0 vari-angle touchscreen, providing more flexibility for creative angles. Reviewers have noted how the R8 screen enhances usability, especially for vlogging or self-portraits. So if versatility in display matters, the R8 is the clear winner here. Finally, let's talk battery life. The R10 uses a Canon LPE17 battery, which some users have found lacking for long sessions. In contrast, the R8 is built for endurance and can last longer on a single charge, which is a big plus for those all-day shooting adventures. Reviewers have pointed out that the R8's battery life is a significant benefit for serious photographers who don't want to worry about recharging frequently. If you need longevity, the R8 is the clear choice. In summary, both cameras have their strengths. The R10 is praised for its affordability and user-friendly features, making it ideal for beginners and casual photographers. Meanwhile, the R8 receives high marks for its advanced technology and superior performance, especially in low-light situations and video capabilities. Each camera caters to different needs, so it ultimately depends on what you value most in a mirrorless camera. So which camera catches your eye? Are you leaning towards the Canon EOS R10 for its affordability and ease of use? Or is the Canon EOS R8's professional features calling your name? Let us know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more comparisons. And remember, links to both products are in the description below.